Ordering words are often used when we give commands, requests, or instructions. In English grammar, these are called imperative sentences. They are short, clear, and direct. They don't always need a subject because the subject you is understood. For example, if someone says stop, it really means you stop. Imperatives can be polite or strong depending on tone. Let's explore simple examples and then connect them into a natural flow. Here are some basic ones. Stop right now, don't move quickly. Another example, speak clearly please, I can't understand. You might also say, listen carefully, this part is important. Another common one is, wait here please, I'll be back. You can also command, come here now, I need help. Sometimes ordering words are used in daily life. For example, sit down quietly, class will begin soon. Or, stand up now, answer my question. Another helpful phrase is, open the book, read page 20. You may also hear, close the door, it's too noisy. Another everyday one is, turn off lights, save some energy. We can also use ordering words to give directions. For example, go straight, then turn right here. Another useful one is, take the bus, stop at station. You could also say, follow me please, I'll show you. Or cross the road, but be careful. Another clear one is, walk slowly, don't run across there. Imperatives can also be polite requests. For example, please pass salt, I need it. Another polite phrase is, kindly wait, I'll help you soon. Or, please call me when you finish. You can also say, don't worry, everything will be fine. Another encouraging one is, try again, you will succeed tomorrow. Sometimes ordering words can show warning. For example, be careful, the floor is wet. Or, watch out, the car is coming. Another warning is, don't touch that, it's very hot. Or, stay inside, the storm is dangerous. Another urgent one is, run quickly, the bus is leaving. They can also show encouragement. For example, keep going, you are doing well. Another supportive phrase is, stay strong, you can handle this. Or, work harder, success will come soon. Another one is, practice daily, your English will improve. And also, speak loudly, don't be so shy. Imperative sentences are short, powerful, and practical. Whether you are ordering, requesting, warning, encouraging, or directing, they help you speak clearly and effectively. Each of these examples can be used in real life, and practicing them will improve both your listening and speaking skills. Remember, the tone you use makes the difference between sounding polite or sounding strict. For example, sit down now can sound harsh, but please sit down now is polite. Practice these forms daily, and soon, giving or understanding orders in English will become natural.